Hi everyone, Rebecca here, and I'm so excited to share with you this laundry drying rack. This was gifted to me in exchange for my read. I've been wanting a drying rack, but you know, having one on the ground, you really got to have the space for it. This one is a little bit different. It'll go right on. What you do see here is what came in the box. You have the screws and the plugs in order to put the laundry drying rack on the wall. And the coolest part is that it comes with this ruler that's already set up with the right distance for each hole for the drying rack. All you have to do is put this on the wall and then drill your holes into it. Let's get it up on the wall so we can see how it looks.
Now this installation has been pretty easy. All I do is take that ruler, draw the lines, drill my holes, and then pound the plugs
in was because the laundry rack is so heavy and it will have other. Now make sure you leave the screws out just a little bit because the laundry rack will hang on the screw. Now you can tell that it's very secure on there because we did use the anchors.
This drying rack does measure almost 28 inches by almost 4 inches, and it just opens so easily. The total load capacity for this drying rack is 55 pounds and is coated so it does not rust. The drying rack does have 5 aluminum tubes, which are about 3 millimeters thick, and it's going to be so easy to dry socks, dry my swimsuits, dry anything that I really cannot put into the dryer. I'm going to love this space-saving drying rack. All in all, this is a great product and I do suggest it.